Sometimes we may lose the photos that we've taken on our iPad or delete them and then realize that we didn't want to. In this video, we're going to take a look at how to recover deleted photos from our iPad. In the first tip, we'll show you how to recover permanently deleted photos from iPad without computer. Go to Settings on your iPad. Find General. To tap on Transfer or Reset iPad. Erase all content and settings. Enter your passcode to confirm. Then you just need to wait for a while. When the erasing process is completed, reach the Apps and Data screen. Next, select Restore from iCloud Backup sign into your iCloud account. It will show all backups. You can pick one to restore. If you choose this way, please make sure you have iCloud backups before erasing iPad. In the second tip, we'll show you how to recover permanently deleted photos from iPad with iTunes. Connect your iPad to computer and run iTunes. Click Restore Backup in Backups. Select a backup you want to restore and click Restore to confirm. You can't check items you have backed up in iTunes, so please select carefully to restore. If you don't have any backups, please check the third tip. Connect your iPad to PC or Mac. Download and install iMaphone Dback video introduction with links. Launch Dback. Check Recover from iOS device mode and click Next. Waiting for scanning. Choose all or selected photos you want to recover. You can restore them to device or to computer as you need, then you just need to wait for a while. When it has done, let's check these photos on iPad. That's all tips. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel.